Hey everyone, it's Jen. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I have the Scrap Diva Design September die release. So I am excited to look through this with you and to show you what will be available. These will be available on Scrap Diva Designs on September 1st, which is this coming Friday. And I will have a referral link down below. If you click on that link and purchase through it, I do get a commission. Doesn't cost you anything extra, but it does help me and my channel out. I also have a coupon code, which is strawberry cream, and if you use that at checkout, you'll get 10% off of your order. So let's take a look and see what we have. I took a quick look through everything, and it looks like really cute Halloween dies. So let's take a peek. All right, this is the first one, and I'd love that Erica is now putting the names of the dies on the back. So this one is the Skull Bag Topper number 2. Look at how cute this is. There is a Skull Bag Topper number 1, which was from a previous release from Scrap Diva Designs, and that's on her channel as well, but this is the new one. It's dimensional because it has a little gusset here. I'm thinking that you would probably cut 2 of these out or just use the flap to cover the back. I think probably 2 though. And look at all the layering pieces for this cute skull, and the skull eyes have, they're heart-shaped and they have eyelashes too. And the nose is also heart-shaped. I love that there's stitching around it and there's a notch in it so you could, you know, hang it or put a ribbon through it or something. And these are the layering pieces. There's a super cute bow, which has a outline piece as well. So this will be so nice to layer up with all sorts of different papers and stuff. So I am looking forward to making that, definitely. So that's the first item. The next one is this, and this one is called the Ghost Tags. And the ghost tags have, oh, I just love the shape of these tags. They definitely look like little ghosts, and they're stitched. They have scalloping on the bottom, and I mean, you can make them look like ghosts if you add, you know, if you cut them out of white paper, maybe add some eyes or something, but they could also just, you know, be a regular tag as well. So there are the 2 pieces here, and it looks like they're mirror images, so they can layer back to back, which is really nice. And there are words that come with it as well: treat, eek, boo, trick, candy, and scary. And they're block letters, but they're all attached, which I love that. So you don't have to paper piece all the different letters. They'll all fit perfectly onto the tag. So, you know, you can put them on there, use them on other projects. I think this is great. All right, so that's the next one. Here we have some words, and this one is called Halloween Words number 1. And the words we have today are, they all have shadows. So this one is vampires. There's fangs, or vampire, sorry. That is, I'm not sure what that is. We have cross, spiders, broom, and what is that one? C-A-R-I, I think it's carving. It's probably carving. So that's Halloween Words number 1. And then this is probably Halloween Words number 2. Yes. Okay. So these we have midnight, I think that's hour. Let's see, horror, scary, spells, and scream. So fun to, you know, use both of these together or separately. And it looks like another one. This was Halloween Words 3. So that's great. You can get, you know, several of them or just one if the words speak to you. So we have Dracula, zombies, and let's see, this is full moon, and potions. And then these 2 are, let's see, cursed and shadows. These are cool, very cool words. Great to have in your Halloween sentiments to add to tags or bag toppers, mini albums, cards, that sort of thing. And then the next item we have is this bigger set. And look at this candy corn set. It's candy corn memory decks. Let's see if that's what it's called. Yep, candy corn memory decks. So it comes with, okay, of course, the base memory decks die, and that, okay, you cut those apart. So then you'd have the base piece and then the layering piece that is stitched and divided, so you can make this into a shaker. And it comes with little layered pieces for candy corns. That looks like a candy center. Yep, there's a candy spider, some little dots to add to, you know, the different embellishments. And this side, this is different layers for the memory decks. So this would probably be good to cut out, like, let's see. Well, we'll have to see how they fit together. But it comes with these little, looks like sprinkles probably. And then this looks like an eye. And let's see, hearts, probably a mouth. That's probably a nose. And I'm not sure what that is. There's the other eye. So yeah, lots of different layering pieces, candies. It'll be fun to figure out what goes with what and put this together. I think this will be super, super cute. So that's the candy corn memory decks. Then we have this pumpkin. Looks like a jack-o'-lantern, probably a mini album because of all the different layers. Oh, there's some on the back too. Yep, pumpkin mini album. So look at all of the layers you get. So with the back, you get the base piece, it looks like, and then a layering piece for the pumpkin that's stitched. And then the different embellishments, which are included inside this nice spider web, good size spider web, little pumpkin with a layering piece, a couple of cute leaves. Those are perfect leaves for a pumpkin vine. And then here you go with the other layering pieces. And there's a jack-o'-lantern face too. So lots of different ways you can combine these to make different sizes, different amounts of layers on your papers. You can make these into shakers, which would be great. And it's such a nice big size too. And of course, when I make the projects, I will do the measurements for you. So there's that one. Look at this cute little skeleton. It looks like a cookie to me. This one is called the Skeleton Mini Album. Okay, so yeah, of course it could be a mini album with all the different layers. And then I love this plate here that cuts out, looks like it cuts out the different shapes of the bones, which would be so fun to paper piece on top of the, you know, the top layer. But yeah, I'm thinking skeleton gingerbread cookies, right? This totally looks like a cookie shape to me. So yeah, that's what I will be making with that. The next one we have some, oh, look at these potion bottles. These are nice and big and so detailed. So this one is called the Poison Bottle Shakers. So it looks like there are two different sizes and the labels are gorgeous. Look at that, it says poison. So it looks like it embosses the word poison into the tag and they're stitching on those. So there's a small one and a big one for that. And each size has the frame piece, the base piece, and then different bones and little skull shapes as well. And those are, you know, small and big for the small and big shakers. And then there are little cork stoppers to add to the top of them too. How cute are those? So adorable. I think that'll be so much fun to make into a shaker. Add all your, you know, little Halloween shaker bits and sequins that you have and just make some really super cute embellishments. So I love that. I am looking forward to making some more Halloween projects, definitely. Okay, the next one is this looks like a spider bow, and it is called the Spider Bow Set, yes. So this comes with, looks like two different sizes of spider bows. So you have the background, which is the cool spider web, and then there's a big loop section and then a smaller one. Probably these two go together in these two. And then you can add spiders probably either on the front of the bow or behind it. Yeah, I would say probably the front though. And then I love when bows come with these pieces to wrap around them, just because sometimes bows come apart and they look so much more finished. Don't leave this step out. I like to do that anyway. If you're not going to be embellishing the middle a whole ton, I'd say definitely leave those in. So yeah, that's going to be a fun set. Love the stitching detail on the bow pieces, and yeah, really, really cute. Okay, then we have, this looks like the candy corn shaker, candy corn mini album. Wait a second, let's look back at that one. Oh, this was the memory decks. Okay, so you can get the memory decks, which is a little bit smaller, and then you can get the candy corn mini album too. How cute is that? Candy corn, I mean, not a lot of people that I know like to eat candy corns. Actually, most of my family does, but other crafters I know, a lot of us say we don't like candy corn, and I sure don't. I just don't like eating them, but I love decorating with them and just crafting with them. They're just super cute. So the mini album comes with all these layering pieces again, just like the memory deck set, and then it comes with this cute little spider, the word scary and sweet. Here's another spider. I wonder if you could layer those. You probably can. And then again, mini candy corns and hearts and the word treat here. And look at these hearts. These look like they cut out the heart but leave some stitching on the outside. So that would be fun to put inside the different sections as well. So yeah, you can make this into a shaker or just into a mini album. It's definitely big enough to add pictures. If you have like your kids or grandkids Halloween costumes, that would be super cute. So love that one. Then this one, look at how cute. This reminds me of like primitive crafting. I'm definitely going to make this into like a primitive or rustic looking pumpkin. This is called the tall jack-o'-lantern. So it comes with this embellishment piece, which has the eyes with the eyelashes on it, and it embosses, or I think embosses lines through it. It's hard for me to tell sometimes if things emboss or cut out. I really just have to test them out, and that helps me a lot more than just looking at them. But my first impression is that it embosses those lines. And then the main part of the tall jack-o'-lantern has this layering piece. It's got the base piece, it's got the stitch layering piece, and then another one of the plates. So it looks like this one has like the boy jack-o'-lantern face, and this one has the girl. So you can make like a matching set. It's got a little layering piece for the stem as well, and that's such a nice size. I think this would make a really cute bag, you know, add one of Erica's bag maker dies, and you can make cute little bags, maybe make like luminaries too. I'll try and make some bags out of that one. And then we're getting closer to the end, but this is a big release, lots of great Halloween dies. Okay, this one looks like a Memory Decks bag maybe, because it's got this side part here which forms a gusset for your bag, and then it's called the Trick or Treat Memory Decks bag. It's got like cute pumpkin faces, different teeth and mouths and eyes and noses and stuff, so you can combine that in different ways and just make it into like a pumpkin shape. Or a pumpkin face. And then it has this layering piece that's stitched as well. This will be so fun. What a cute idea to make into a Memory Decks, right? I love to put things into Memory Decks cards, like embellishments and you know, just like your information, that kind of thing. So this is a treat bag, is really fun, I think. And it'll be great to customize this with fun Halloween papers. And then next we have, oh, there's that skull bag topper again. This one is skull bag topper number 3. So let's get out the first one that I took out and we'll see how it's different. It looks like it's the same, but just bigger. Yeah, that is a nice big bag topper. See the difference in sizes? So this one is 2, this one is 3, and skull topper or skull bag topper number 1 is a different design that's already on the website. So yeah, it comes with, looks like everything the same, just in bigger sizes. So that's fun for your bigger bags, you know, bigger treat bags and things like this. This will be good for your smaller bags. So there's both of those. And then here's the last one. It's the same cute skull shape, and this is in a Memory Decks. So this one is called the Skull Mini Album. I'm sorry, not Memory Decks. I was thinking that was a Memory Decks notches, but no, it's the holes for binding clips. So how adorable is that? You can make it into a skull memory or a mini album. I love it, with the same details as the bag toppers. I think is super cute. It'll be so fun to make this into girly Halloween with, you know, your pastel Halloweens, and even if you still like your blacks and oranges and stuff, of course, that would look super cute. So yeah, I am looking forward to making all of these different projects. Thank you so much for sending this to me, Erica. I'm just ecstatic and can't wait to get my Halloween stuff right back out. I have it all under my desk right now, ready to go. So I'm going to start making these. Again, these will be available for purchase on Scrap Diva Designs starting on Friday, September 1st. So yeah, my referral link is down below, as well as my coupon code, which is Strawberry Cream. Thank you to everybody who uses those. I really appreciate it. And I'll be back soon creating some projects with these dies. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a wonderful day. Bye.